kind of hang the compost down in that bag from. And you would bubble it if you made an extract, so it's just kind of pulling what's in the compost into the water. You could do it for a couple hours, and that'd be good enough. It doesn't need to be that long, but that's sort of the recommendation. You want to make a compost tea. The idea behind the tea is that you actually feed food into the solution, into the water. So you're putting in things like fish hydrolysate or molasses, seaweed, like soluble seaweed or kelp, things that kind of provide a nutritional profile and energy source so that the microbes that are in the compost, which are generally the beneficials, can feed on that and propagate. And like basically you want to create the most abundantly alive water that you can, and so that compost tea then is distributed on your plants. And so that's something that like Dave could inject in his irrigation lines. And so I think he was talking about that, of turning his sort of shed over there into this big like compost tea and fertility, like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
I want to go directly into his fertigation system.